As you can see, I need a new tire on this car. This one is completely shredded. So I got this tire here. We're going to go ahead and get this on there, and we'll have our cart back ready to use. Now, pretty easy to do. You have a couple options. Sometimes these just slide on, and there's a hole that you put a cotter pin in. And I will say this tire came as a set of two, and it came with the washers you need and the cotter pin. In my case, I'll use the washers, but I have a threaded spindle here that will put this nut back on. Now, once you get the nut off, in my case, and this tire should slide right off without too much trouble, and then you're ready to put the new one on. Now, depending on your cart, it does have a longer spindle piece on this side than it does this side, so depending on your situation, you decide which way you want it to go. For me, I'm going to go this way, slide this on, and then you can see we're going to go ahead and put the nut back on. But I'm going to put the washers on first. So then I'm going to put the other two washers on the outside and replace my nut. So you can see it's as simple as that. Once I get the nut back on there, I tightened it up and we are good to go. And now, because this wheel comes with a nice set of bearings as well, we're good to go. And this cart is back in service. Now, like I said, these guys sent these out to me, and it does come as a 2-pack. So I want to thank them for that. I'm going to go ahead and replace the other one on the other side, which is bad as well. And we'll have our cart back up and running. Certainly far better than what we had on it. This tire here just seen better days. Now, these are non-pneumatic tires, so they're not going to go flat on you. They're semi-hard. I wouldn't say they're a super hard plastic, but they're not rubber either. You know, super soft rubber. So you're not going to worry about adding air to these. You're going to be good for a long time. Now, I want to thank these guys for sending these out. I really appreciate it. It's helping us put our cart back in use, so it's a big help for us. And hopefully this short video helps you out and you can decide if these will work for you. But now you know, if you click that order button, you know what you're going to get.